Do you struggle with closet clutter? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to talk about how to organize your closet in 5 steps here on Get Organized with Jodi. Hi, I'm Jodi Granock. I'm a certified professional organizer with over 15 years in the field. And I have to tell you that closet organizing is one of my most requested jobs. Lots and lots of people struggle with closet clutter, having too much stuff, not knowing how to organize it. It can lead to a lot of stress. So let's take the burden off of you and figure out how we can make things better together. So, step one is you need to take everything out. And I know this can feel daunting, but it's a really important first step because in order to see what you truly have, everything needs to come out. So, put all of your closet items either on the bed, on the table, or on the floor. And if the floor is not clean, that's okay. Put a sheet down first. The second step is to start grouping like items together. So create piles of similar items, all your shoes, your short sleeve shirts, your pants, your skirts. You can even get more specific within those categories. So for example, with pants, it could be work pants, casual pants, blue jeans. For shoes, it could be the different types of shoes that you have, like sandals and flats and sneakers. You need to get an accurate count of how many of each item you have before you go on to step number 3. Step 3 is the important part of the process because now you need to make a decision about each item. These are the different decisions that you're going to make. Keep. Only keep clothes in your current size. If you don't like an item for any reason, it's too tight, it has an unflattering shape, you hate the design, the color clashes with your skin tone, maybe it was given to you and you never liked it, whatever the reason, let it go. Sell. Take your unwanted clothes to a resale shop or have a rummage sale. Another option for your clothes is donate. If you aren't wearing it now, consider those less fortunate who could really benefit from it. If you can itemize the donated items and then keep the charity receipt in your tax folder for a potential deduction the next year. Another option, save it. Use a bin with a sealed lid and group items by season or by size. Make sure to label the top and side of the bin with the contents. Now, this tends to happen more for your children's clothing, right? Because your clothes ideally fit you right now. But when we have families, our kids are constantly changing sizes. So, this is a strategy so that you still have the clothes that you may want in the future, but they're not getting in the way of the clothes that you're trying to locate right now. Toss is another option. If you find clothing that is torn, stained, threadbare, bleached, or faded, you can consider pitching it. You can also consider donating to a textile organization. Do a Google search in your area to see if that is an option. Goes in another room. To maintain your focus while you're organizing, avoid leaving your closet area until you're finished working on this project. If you find things that belong somewhere else, just keep them in one pile until you are finished organizing, and then you can return those items to their proper homes. And this includes finding clothes that actually belong to someone else in the house. You don't want to keep getting up and leaving the area because you could get distracted and then run out of time to work on this project. All right, step 4 is store it where you use it. So, once you've determined the clothes that you want to keep in your closet, the items in your closet should be things that you're actually using. So, clothes should be stored in your bedroom closet rather than having some of your clothes in multiple closets throughout the house. If your closet has shelves, you can place items that you use the most frequently within reach and store the less often used items on the higher shelves. Step 5 is to stay within your boundary zone. So every organized space still needs some routine maintenance to stay organized. So once you've created a designated home where all your clothes live, the space housing these items is the boundary zone. And when that home gets too full, the only way to bring in more like-minded items, more clothes, is to let some of the existing items go, either by reselling, donating, or discarding them. And that's it. Organizing your closet in 5 steps. I encourage you to use the comments and let us know how you're doing with your project to organize your closets. We're here to help. I encourage you to visit organizingmagic.com for more organizing resources, including our free e-newsletter and information about our monthly Zoom webinars, which are also free. And remember that new videos drop every Friday, so be in the know and click like and subscribe before you go so you never miss a single video. I'll see you next time.